Today I'm going to show you how to set up a simple dashboard using our export tool for WorkflowMax. Okay, so in this example I've just got a simple dashboard set up here, and I'm going to show you how to make all these pieces just out of our WorkflowMax export tool. So we'll start off with the staff workload distribution. This is a good way to see which of your staff are actually being overloaded with work. So how we do this is I generally create a little system tab here, and in the system tab is where we do some other calculations. And what I've done here is I've just laid out all my stuff. We can do this with a query as well if you want to get super complex, and I'll show you some queries that we've done in the next examples. But here I've just got my staff A, staff B, staff C, and here I've just said count if the tasks column equals calendar 1. That's my demo staff name. And same again, count the same column if it equals calendar 2, and count if it equals calendar 3. So if we go over to tasks here, you'll see my staff list is calendar 3, calendar 1, calendar 3, calendar 2. So these are just how I've got them set up in my demo account for WorkflowMax. The export tool will sync all these tasks in on a schedule, whatever schedule you choose. At this moment, if I go in here, sync options, and I've got this set up to sync every 10 minutes. Some people may only want this every day, once a day. And I've also set it to complete the completed job, so it won't clean out any of the tasks. I want to be able to keep everything in here and keep a good schedule. You may want to do some have it automatically housekeep all your completed jobs and tasks and just remove those from the sheet so you've only got active ones. It's up to you. Okay, so back to the dashboard. In my system tab, I now have how many tasks for staff A, how many tasks for staff B, and how many tasks for staff C. And then over in the dashboard, what we do is we just create a simple pie chart. And in my system tab, A1 to C1. That's it. And then we can label all these as we need and change the colors if you like. And that's the staff workload distribution. It's an easy way to see how many tasks each staff member have assigned to them, and if you need to reassign some tasks because one staff member seems to be overworked. Next, we'll go back to the top 5 jobs with estimated minutes. This is a good way to see the top 5 jobs that have the biggest amount of estimated time required to complete them. And how we do this one. So once again, back in the system tab. And this time I have done a query. And what we've done here is we go query columns A2 to L48, so that's all the tasks. Select column 2 and column 6, and then order them by column 6, which is your estimated minutes, in descending order. So, and then limit to 5 options. So we go, this automatically updates. So when we've got something else, let's go job 98. I'm just going to do a test here, so let's go 1600. We go back to the system tab. Job 98 is now the first one, number 1 on the list. And then all we do here is we go and create a bar graph. And you can do this using the Explore option in Google Sheets as well. So Google will automatically choose the most appropriate graphs based on the data you have selected. So in this one, we've got count of job ID, more count of job ID, estimated minutes. This is the one that we're going to use. I've set one up already. And over here, we've got top 5 jobs based on their estimated minutes coming from top to bottom. And as you can see, job 98, estimated minutes 1600, it's already populated. And so this will continually update based on the data that's coming from WorkflowMax. How many tasks per job? Just say, so this allows you to plan. If you've got, a huge number of tasks for one job, then you can make sure you've got enough resources. Once again, this is a fairly basic one, so we've just gone tasks B1 to B48. So over here in tasks, B1 to B48, just this column. All we've done is just count how many of these numbers there are and added a bar chart. So once again, you can do other ones if you like. And then total number of jobs, this is just a simple count, the number of jobs in there, so number of rows that have data in it. Total number of tasks is the same thing again, it just counts the number of tasks. And the ratio, we can do just simple division calculation. Nothing too spectacular there, but at least we've got some, and we can clean this up too as well. And we've got a number of percentage markers. So let's go. And there you go. So we've got the number of ratio of tasks to jobs. So it's at 31%. So that's a very simple chart and dashboard that we can have made up. And you can share this. Another good idea is to be able to present this in a Google site. It's super easy to do that on a Google site. And then you can allow other people to come and have a look at your dashboard site. You can also use this in Google Data Studio and connect your sheet to Google Data Studio and get even deeper with all your dashboards and your graphs. So I hope that helps a bunch of people. And if you need anything, just reach out to us at help@shushmonkey.com. And if you like this and you want something for your organization, just go to store.shushmonkey.com and you'll see the export tool for WorkflowMax. All right, thank you.